Toots and the Maytals are now two-time Grammy winners. The reggae icon earned a posthumous Grammy Award yesterday for his album Got to Be Tough, released just days before his death. The award was collected by his daughter, Genevieve Hibbert Bailey.
My father, Frederick Hibbert, was a phenomenal gift to this world. On behalf of my mother, Mrs. Doreen Hibbert, and the rest of the family, I want to say thank you to his fans, to members of the band, to Zach and Shush, Children Jamaica, Sly Dunbar, Cyril Neville, Cameron Husty, Joe Murray, Eric Gardner, Hartwig and everyone at BMG Rights, Eric, Adam, Rob and Larry at Primary Wave, Justin Hill at UTA. Daddy, we love and we miss you. Thank you, everyone.
Skip Marley, Bob Marley's grandson, who was also in the running for this year's award, tweeted, quote, "The whole foundation of what we do know is thanks to them Monday, them pinnacles of reggae music. Not only reggae, blues, funk, soul, energy and bring, everything. Nobody know do the stage like Uncle Toots," end quote. Toots took the Best Reggae Album Award at this year's 63rd Grammys over Skip Marley's highly successful Higher Place, Buju Banton's acclaimed Upside Down 2020, One World by the Wailers, and It All Comes Back to Love by Maxi Priest. This second Grammy win for Toots and the Maytals comes almost 2 decades after they won back in 2004 for True Love. Frederick Toots Hibbert, who was described by the Grammys as one who pioneered and helped globalize the reggae genre via his iconic Grammy-winning band Toots and the Maytals, died suddenly last year at the age of 77. Now, still on the Grammys, Beyoncé made history twice last night. Once when she tied for the most Grammy wins by a female after collecting Best Rap Song with Megan Thee Stallion for their remix of Savage. And then when she surpassed the most Grammys of all time when she was awarded R&B Performance of Black Parade. The star has now equaled super producer Quincy Jones's total of 28 Grammys.
I believe it's my job and all of our jobs to reflect the times. And it's been such a difficult time. So I wanted to uplift, encourage, and celebrate all of the beautiful Black queens and kings that continue to inspire me and inspire the whole world.
Other big Grammy winners included another record breaker, Taylor Swift, becoming the first female artist to win Album of the Year 3 times. Taylor Swift won with Folklore. Record of the Year went to newcomer Billie Eilish for Everything I Wanted. And her, I Can't Breathe, took Song of the Year. Megan Thee Stallion also snatched Best New Artist. The event, scaled down due to the COVID-19 pandemic, saw some impressive and creative sets as Cardi B, Megan Thee Stallion, Post Malone, Taylor Swift and others performed live during the event on Sunday night. Boy band BTS recreated the Grammy set at their home in South Korea. It was pretty amazing. And the weekend could not be complete without the #1 party, Fame Frequency, as it transformed into a soca lover's dream as DJs Arif Coop and King Taj, Xavier and Kamar Genius seamlessly mixed soca and dancehall. The event trended as soca lovers all over the Caribbean joined for the experience. As the carnival season remains closed for 2021, series producer Fame Frequency told E-Prime that fans can look out for a 100% soca event this April. Can't wait. I'm Daedran, reporting for E-Prime.